All right, put your thinking caps on. This weekend we've got two pairs of doppelgangers, and I'm going to get you, the viewers, to do some selecting for me. They're both on the posts now, and I've done some moving of the planets as usual, but I'm going to ask you some questions about them. And the first set is Kyoto and Murray Bridge. Kyoto is, of course, in the Northern Hemisphere. Murray Bridge is in near Adelaide in South Australia. And there's no comparison really. One's 26 Cancer on the midheaven, the other one's 23 Taurus. But from experience, I know that there will be some repeats from race to race. So this is because the latitudes are the same. One's north, one's south, but they're still on the same degree latitude. So this is going to be interesting. There's no intercepts, but have a look at those. And remember that the midpoints, certain midpoints do taste very well in the mouth because you've got the lucky fixed stars, 5 degrees for Boss, 9 degrees for Scat, 15 degrees for Vega, 23 for Sadal Sud, and Alt, of course, is naught. So have a look at those and find where they are clustered, because you'll find where there's a cluster of lucky fixed stars in a certain house. That's where you're going to get some big outputs, so to speak. The second set of doppelgangers is the Curragh in Ireland versus Haydock in the UK. They're both at 53 degrees north. And the interesting thing is the Curragh has an intercept. So that looks very much powerful for high payouts. And we can see that Uranus is in the ninth, and there's a cluster of 3 planets there. Find out which house has the most cluster of lucky fixed stars. That's 1 degree, 5 degrees, 9 degrees, 15 degrees, and 23 degrees, because they're the ones that have some big payouts. And notice too, have a little notebook and record the cadent houses, the 3rd, 6th, 9th, and 12th, and see how they add up after, say, 10 or 20 races. You'll find they're the big payers overall. So keep your eye on those. And I've moved the planets as usual and put what I think is going to happen. Look, some of these haven't even been, there's not a number of runners yet for some of the races. I'm just relying on the artificial intelligence to forecast what time they should be running. And I'm still waiting for how many runners in some of these races. So it's quite exciting. And you're right beside me at the forefront here. I don't know of any other website around the world that's actually doing this. And I'm surprised I haven't been approached by any magazines to follow up, or universities. I'm waiting for this. So enjoy the suspense, and once again into the fray tomorrow, Saturday the 23rd of May.